Hello, people. Hi, guys. Hello. How
Hi,
are you all doing on a Saturday morning? It is
great.
it is double header time in IPL match. We are on to match 33 and 34, and now in this video we are going to talk about match 34, which is going to be held at Sharjah, a ground which we all love because of the big scores we see, and but this is between two teams who've had slightly contrasting fortunes in many ways. Delhi Capitals, जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छी शुरुआत की अपने अपने कैंपेन की, उनका पूरा कॉम्बिनेशन सब सेट था, पूरा टीम कॉम्बिनेशन सेट थी, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे थे, मैचेस जीत रहे थे, एज कम्पेयर टू चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स, जिन्होंने शुरुआत में बहुत स्ट्रगल किया. दे वर नॉट गेटिंग देयर कॉम्बिनेशन राइट. और लेकिन पिछले दो मैच में ये हुआ है कि हमने हमने एक सॉर्ट ऑफ रिवर्सल इन फॉर्चून्स फॉर बोथ द टीम्स देखा है. चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स अब लग रहा है कि बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छे कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ उनको अपना बेस्ट 11 पता चल गया है. अब उसी कॉम्बिनेशन पे और उन्हीं बैटिंग बॉलिंग ऑर्डर के हिसाब से वो लोग करेंगे. जबकि दिल्ली कैपिटल्स के लिए ऋषभ पंत का लॉस बहुत बड़ा लॉस है. दैट हैज जस्ट डिस्टेबलाइज द टीम. तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग मैच रहेगा ये. चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स ने लास्ट मैच जीत के टेबल को और इंटरेस्टिंग बना दिया है, एंड दे वुड वांट टू कंटिन्यू द विनिंग मोमेंटम. आई एम श्योर हमारे जो यहाँ मित्र हैं अभिषेक, वो बिल्कुल चाहेंगे कि उनकी फेवरेट टीम वो मोमेंटम कैरी ऑन करे. So guys, I will straight jump into the questions without wasting much of your time. Anuradha, I'll start with you. पहला सवाल आज का, how many runs will be scored in the final 5 overs of the first innings? आपके पास तीन ऑप्शंस हैं, 50 to 55, 55 to 60 और 60 प्लस. अब हमने ऑप्शंस बहुत नैरो डाउन कर दिए, तो इट्स नॉट गोना बी इजी. Go ahead.
The funny thing is that you started with that this is Sharjah, our favorite ground, जहाँ पे बहुत high scoring ground है, blah blah blah, and then you give these options and what is this? Yeah. Anyway, I'll choose the last one.
Okay.
Okay. Expecting that whoever, first innings, whoever bats first, the last 5 overs they're gonna bat like crazy, and this is Sharjah. So.
Okay. Fair enough. Mayuresh, क्या लगता है आपको?
I'm going to go with a bit of conservative approach because you're asking for first 5 overs.
Last 5 overs. Last 5.
Yeah.
It's the final 5.
Final 5 overs. Sorry, final 5 overs. So yeah, in that case, I'll still go with 60 plus. I'll go with 60 plus in this case.
Okay.
I thought it was
very interesting. And what is it going to be for you, Abhishek? क्या लगता है आपको?
I think if Chennai is batting first, about 60 plus is what I'm looking at. Whereas if Delhi Capitals is batting, I'll probably go with a little higher and go with the third option.
So 60 plus is the third option, and
no, sorry, the middle option is 55 to 60, right? Yeah. So I'll go with.
You're on mute. On mute. You've gone on mute.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So I'm saying if Chennai bats first is 55 to 60. If DC bats first, it's 60 plus.
So I'm going to tell you guys something. So Chennai obviously इस पूरे सीजन में पहले बार बैटिंग उन्होंने सिर्फ एक बार किया है, और लास्ट के 5 ओवर में उन्होंने 51 रन बनाए थे. So there you have it. Delhi Capitals on the other hand, जब उन्होंने लास्ट टाइम शारजा में वो खेले थे, आखिरी के 5 ओवर में उन्होंने 51 ही बनाए थे. So you're not too far off, Abhishek. In fact, if you recall, Delhi Capitals struggled massively in one of their previous matches, which was not in Sharjah, of course, but they struggled massively, right?
So I think Delhi Capitals, another challenge is the last match injury of their captain. So
yes, Shreyas Iyer. You're again on mute. You've gone on mute again.
The current situation with. So I mean, they need to figure out their best 11. And they're, as you rightly said in the beginning, they're in a position where they started well and now they have to really figure out their 11.
Yeah, totally. So, all right, great. Then we'll see what happens. Second question, and I will start with you, Abhishek. अब बात करते हैं CSK बैटर्स की. आप CSK एक्सपर्ट हैं, आप CSK के बहुत बड़े फैन हैं. So we'll talk about strike rates, and that has been their sort of Achilles heel, if I may call it. So what will be the highest strike rate for any CSK batter today? Minimum qualification of 20 runs. Will it be 150 to 175, 175 to 200, yeah, 200 plus? What do you think?
Just purely going with one player, I would pick the second option, and that is Sam Curran. Otherwise, I don't see anybody with that strike rate. I think they believe in playing an anchor role and taking out boundaries here and there. So I think just with one player, the way he has been playing, and most likely he'll open Sam Curran. So yeah, I'll go with option 2,
which is 175 to 200. Okay, all right. Anuradha, क्या लगता है आपको?
Okay, I'm going with the highest.
Okay, Sharjah, and you're very convinced.
It's Sharjah, and second is these guys are gonna be very aggressive today with the bat. Okay. Of course, DC's team is more impressive because they have a super bowling lineup.
Absolutely.
So that even with that in mind, these guys are gonna hit. Okay, see, I'm expecting CSK to hit. You have Watson. I mean, if Watson and
yes.
Du Plessis do hit, if either of them are in form, then 200 is nothing in terms of the strike rate. So
I was about to say Watson. You mentioned Watson, and if Watson is in form, then 200 plus is easy because he can just smash everybody all around the park.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yes.
I'm counting on him to be in form. So let's see.
Yeah, Abhishek would also be counting on him. He's a match winner the best match winner. Mayuresh, what do you think?
I'll go with 200 plus, and I'm going to bet on Ravindra Jadeja for this today's match, because I think Sam Curran, I think everything is betting on him. He will most probably open. I think last match CSK got their batting order slightly corrected, but still I think there are few changes they need to know. But I was happy to see Ravindra Jadeja batting little bit higher, and he was, even on that pitch, he scored I think around 180 to 200 strike rate, and his runs were crucial. So I think I'm betting it will be 200 plus, and I'm betting on Ravindra Jadeja to cross that thing.
If you look at the tournament's record, this tournament's record, Ravindra Jadeja, whenever, even if he's coming in the last overs, he's scoring at 225, 230. So it's a good pick, and CSK will hope that all these things click for them.
Yeah, and they have to be flexible. If let's say they get the good partnership at the beginning, and then let's say they are just 2 down by end of 14 overs, they have to send Jadeja straight away.
So that's the
and they don't need to think like a Raidu or stick to the batting lineup. I think Chennai needs to be more flexible.
Okay, got you. All right, third question, and we'll start with you. We've talked about CSK batters, but Mayuresh, will start with you and we'll talk about Delhi Capitals seamers. And बहुत ही impressive रहे हैं. Rabada हैं, Nortje हैं, and even तुषार देशपांडे जो last match में उन्होंने पहली बार वो खेले, उन्होंने भी बहुत impressive bowling करी. तो क्या लगता है आपको? How many wickets will the seamers pick up today? Will it be up to 4, 5 to 6, or 6 plus?
I'll go with 5 to 6. Looking at I think their bowlers are in good form. I think Tushar Deshpande, I'll give him more time because I think I have been following him from Mumbai days because he plays for Mumbai.
He plays for Mumbai.
Yeah. He is good on one day and he can be very bad on another day.
Okay.
He's very inconsistent, and we know he can go for extremes. I think even against the first match, he bowled too many wide balls. He came back good. But yes, so I'll still go with 5 to 6 wickets, and my pick are Rabada and the second one.
Nortje. Okay. Abhishek, क्या लगता है आपको?
I think 5 to 6 is a decent option. 6 plus is too much because they have Ashwin, who is a genuine wicket taker, and So
even Akshar Patel for that matter.
Even
Yeah.
Akshar Patel for that. So yeah, I think so. 3 fast bowlers taking 6 wickets is a little too much. So I think 5 to 6 is a safer option.
Well, they've done that this season.
They've done that.
They've taken seven wickets and 7 and 8 wickets as well. When Harshal Patel was playing. So yeah,
That's possible in a place like your Abu Dhabi, where one side boundaries are higher. Sharjah, if you flick it, chances of going for a 6 is more higher.
much higher. Yeah.
Fast bowlers tend to will give more runs today than the spinners, I feel. So yeah, 5 to 6 is an option.
Very interesting you mentioned flick, because yesterday we saw Hardik Pandya flicking Pat Cummins for a 6. I mean, that was very nonchalantly hit.
Right.
So yeah. Hopefully the fast bowlers won't go for many. Anuradha, tell us please. You're a Delhi fan. So what do you think?
Am I a Delhi fan? Okay, I have no idea. But anyway, I definitely think that this team has an amazing bowling attack. Okay, and seamers and spinners alike. And I don't think there will be so many wickets falling in the match to make me choose a high number for just the pace bowlers. Okay. And I am also hoping Akshar Patel will pick few wickets. So I'll actually go with a conservative number for these three. Even though Deshpande was quite the surprise last time. He was sudden. He was like, people were surprised with his selection, and he did manage to impress us. But given all that, this is 5, 6 plus is too high. I think overall, there may be just 5, 6 wickets falling in all. So I'll go to up to 4. I'll go with up to 4.
Okay, fine, fantastic. Anuradha, we'll start with the fourth question with you, and this is about matchups. We don't ask such questions a lot. We've asked them once or twice in the past. So why don't we? This is an interest. So this particular clash features some very interesting matchups. So I'll ask you this. Now this is based on previous records. So this is not coming out of thin air. Now given their previous records, one moment. Given their previous records, which matchup is likely to be successful for the bowler? Is it going to be Akshar Patel against Shane Watson? Is it going to be Deepak Chahar against Prithvi Shaw, or Deepak Chahar against Ajinkya Rahane? I'll give you the records also if you wish. So Akshar has dismissed Watson 7 times in total. Chahar has dismissed Shaw 6 times, and it's not just dismissals. These guys also seem to struggle against those bowlers. And Rahane, even though he's got out only thrice, but he's been unable to score freely against Chahar. So what do you think, which matchup is likely to be successful for the bowler today?
I'll tell you 2 things. One is which matchup will be the most successful for the bowler, and the second thing is which matchup will be the most interesting to watch.
Okay.
So on one hand, I'm expecting Watson to be in form and hitting through the roof, and on the other, I know that Akshar Patel has been very impressive this tournament, right? He's just, I think he's just given like 2 6s in the entire tournament.
Yes.
Okay, that is very impressive. Okay, so expecting Watson to hit and Patel not to restrict the 6s will be something to watch.
Some fun. Yeah.
So this will be a combination to watch, and I don't think Patel will be as successful. I mean, against Watson today, because Watson is going to be a little aggressive. So I'll go with Shaw and Chahar. Okay. For the most impressive bowling.
Okay, got you. Abhishek, what's your pick?
Well, I think interesting battle. Yes, your Akshar Patel and Watson is an interesting battle, but I'll go with Chahar and Shaw. Reason being, I think if you look at the 2 players, right, Chahar has an outswing delivery, and Shaw has a habit of going back foot and punches through the cover.
That's his favorite shot. Absolutely.
That's his favorite shot, and most of the time he gets caught in that cover region, or gets caught on the slip cordon. So chances of winning Chahar that battle over Shaw is much higher.
Okay.
I'll go with that.
Interesting analysis, Abhishek. That's spot on. Mayuresh, what do you think?
I'll also go with Chahar and Shaw because I'll look at Shaw has been struggling for last two matches. He's getting out very quickly, and yes, he has got a weakness outside the ball, which is coming outside option, or for an incoming ball also. Sometimes he is
Incoming as well.
leaving too much
Yeah.
gap between the bat and ball. And Chahar, in the first few overs, he tries to bring ball in. So I think my guess is Chahar will be successful against Shaw.
Okay. All right.
I think we all want Watson to score today. That's also.
I think even though the question is wasted, if I that's how Anuradha likes to
Yeah,
put
we
it.
are agreeing on a lot of these answers.
So I'm saying
This
even though
match
the
is, you've wasted 2 more questions, I think.
yeah, I know. I was about to say, even though in your terms, in your words, we wasted this question, but interesting analysis that you guys put forward. So very much so. Okay, now on individual scores, and we'll start with you, Abhishek. We're talking about 25 plus individual scores across both teams. So how many 25 plus individual scores are we likely to see today? Less than 6, 6 to 8, or 8 plus?
I think I was spot on last match with 5 when the last time CSK played. I think 6 or below. 6 is an option.
Less than 6? Okay, Maherish?
This is going to be a match where there'll be few big individual scores and others chipping in with smaller numbers.
Okay.
So I have that feeling. There might be 80 and then others chipping in. About 6 or below.
Maherish?
I'll go with 6+8 option because I think we will get some, as Abhishek rightly mentioned, we will get one score which is like above 50, above 70, 80, and there will be other players who will be coming and who will go for a quick fire cameos like 11 ball 30 or something like that. So I'm expecting 6 to 8 people to score above 25.
Guys, give me one moment. One moment. हेलो हाँ बोलिए हाँ भेज हेलो या हाँ sorry okay Anuradha, what do you think?
Up to 6 big partnerships, a couple of big partnerships. But yeah, I am with Abhishek here, up to 6.
Okay, great. All right, on to the final question. Maherish, we'll start with you. Our traditional standard question: who's your pick for today, Delhi or Chennai?
I'll say one thing. If Delhi had all the players fit, mostly Shreyas Iyer and Pant were fit, then Delhi were runaway winners for the match. But I think Pant is definitely not going to play today. Shreyas Iyer, I'm not sure whether he will play or he will not play. I'm not. The pictures are not yet clear. But let's say if Shreyas doesn't play for today's match, then I'll go with Chennai.
Okay. Okay. Most likely Shreyas will play, but maybe.
Yeah, but then also because I think Chennai have started. I think they have taken a different approach from last match, where they are decided to go bang, 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 rather than playing dot balls and then going bang in the later on. I think let's see how does it works in Sharjah. And if Chennai bat first, then definitely Chennai will.
Okay. Okay. Let's ask the Chennai fan then, Abhishek.
I think, as I said last time, and from now on, every game is a knockout for them. So there is no way they'll not want to win. I think, but looking at today's scenario with the Delhi team, with the kind of balance, I think Chennai is a superior team today. To me.
Okay, all right. And let's ask a Delhi fan then. Anuradha?
Did both of them say Chennai is going to win?
Both of them said Chennai is going to win. Yes.
Okay, I'm placing my bets on DC.
Okay.
DC is going to be. I'm counting on their bowling attack.
Okay, very interesting.
So I'm hoping for early dismissals, surprises, etc. So yeah, the lead today.
So we have one Jharkhandi rooting for Dhoni's team and the other one rooting against Dhoni's team. So we'll see. But great. Thank you so much, people. It was fun predicting with you all. I'm sure you're having as much fun on the app, on the game. And to all our viewers, go play CKC. As Anuradha likes to say, it's better than fantasy.
CKC is better than fantasy.
Great. All right, people.
You may want to tell people why it's better than fantasy.
It's better than fantasy because you are playing like the way you used to while watching a match, you know, which was while watching match, you'll say, hey, मुझे लगता है कोहली आज छक्का मारेगा, इसके बॉल पे छक्का मारेगा, अगले ओवर में आउट होगा. In fact, yesterday it happened, right? I was watching Rohit Sharma batting against Varun Chakravarti, and the third ball of his 9th over, I told Anuradha 10th over that third ball से पहले मैंने बोला ये बॉल पे या तो रोहित शर्मा आउट होगा या ये छक्का मारेगा, and he hit that for a 6. I mean, you could see that in his demeanor how he was going about, right? So that is the fun of watching it live and making a live prediction. That is the intuitive way of watching a match, and that is what we are trying to simulate. That is what we've simulated on Play CKC. So hopefully you guys have fun and predict and win and play for free and win, you know. So hopefully it's going to be fun, people. And it was fun having you all here. Thank you so much. And
thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.